I'm so glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniquities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true uniquity. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to turn your Thanksgiving dessert into a sweet uniquity by creating a beautiful cake display. So let's jump into today's project. For this project, I went ahead and picked up a brand new Grapevine Wreath from my craft store. It was $5. I have several of these in my basement, but I got to thinking, I've had them on my door, then I throw them in the basement, and then I pull them out again for the next 3 years, and it's just kind of gross. So extended family, you are welcome. Fresh wreath. Not that it's any less weird, but it's a fresh one. It's never been on the door. It has had no birds hanging around on it. So I'm going with a natural color theme. Go with whatever colors speak to you. When I was walking around my craft store, that's just what spoke to me, but whatever colors you want to go with and whatever you have from previous seasons will be beautiful on this. There's no right or wrong on this. We are all creative deviants here at Sweet Uniquities. So let's get started decorating this awesome wreath. So the first thing that I saw that started my interest was this kind of cream color, I don't know, little berry vine. So I'm going to add that first. I'm going to use hot glue and attach it. I also have these, I don't know what they're called, but they're made out of natural fibers. I just thought they were so pretty. They're normally $10 at Hobby Lobby. They have several different types of flowers to choose from. I went with this one, but they're 50% off right now. So I got basically them $1 a flower. The main thing is don't cut them too short when you start cutting them. You want them to be able to stick in just a little bit, but you don't want them to come out on the other end per se. And then I also picked up these cute little velvety cream and kind of mossy lime green pumpkins. We will add those as well. And then I have some ribbon. So I'm going to attach that, and then we're going to see what we have. So let's get to work. Cake carrier, and it fits perfectly the diameter of my finished wreath. So once I put my wreath down on top of the cake carrier and I put a tiered cake or a bundt cake, something with some height, it is going to be a beautiful display of Thanksgiving dessertism. Yes, dessertism. Something to be thankful for sure. I seriously took like 5 minutes to glue all this stuff on here. It took longer to find a parking spot at Hobby Lobby. I mean, really. So this is an easy, super quick, inexpensive project. You probably have a lot of little pieces that you can use from previous projects to glue onto your wreath, but I think it just says fall. It's very, I think, high-end and natural looking and so beautiful, and I can't wait to take it to my family Thanksgiving with a delicious spice cake iced with maybe cinnamon, cream cheese frosting, or something amazing like that. So anyway, have a sweet and unique day. Please consider subscribing and liking so that you don't miss any future content, and comment down below if you think that you might try this project. So have a great day.